So in this class, we will learn how we can do the connection so that we can design a circuit. So for our practical point of view, that is for IoT, we implement Arduino Uno R3 or just Arduino. So for that, let us take the Arduino here. And we also have learned that in order to design a circuit, we will be making use of the breadboard. So let us also bring in the breadboard. So now we have the Arduino and we have the breadboard. Now in order to do the connection, let us make use of an LED. So for using the LED, it has to be connected between two pins. So here, if I just go, let us zoom in once and bring this one here. So between the two pins, see, it perfectly fits into the two pins. So if you just drop it there, it will be connected between the two pins. Now if I want to make a connection, let us take an example of a circuit board. Let us draw a circuit board here. Let's say the connection is something like from ground in your Arduino board. From here, I want to do a connection and connect it to resistor first. And after connecting to the resistor, I'll be going to one of the terminal of the LED. I'll do the connection here, and in the LED there are two terminals that we have seen. So this is the second terminal. So here this one will be connected to one of the digital pins of our Arduino. Let us say the pin number 13. So this is our target in order to do the connection. Here ground is in the pin. Here we have, as we can see, there's a ground here, and here this is the 13th. So this one will be treated as negative and this one will be treated as positive. So ground will be negative and this one will be positive, and we'll be connecting between the ground and the negative terminal of our LED. Will be connecting a resistor. Okay, so here we need a resistor. Let us bring that resistor and connect it to the negative terminal of the LED, and this one will be connected to the, since all these are connected, you can also click and bring it here also, but I'll be taking it from here because all these are connected, all these pins are connected. So I'll click here and put it here, and another one will be connected to the positive. So you can click on the positive terminal of the LED and connect it with the positive of this one, that is the breadboard. Now after doing that, since the ground, we have discussed that the ground is the negative mostly, so I'll be connecting the ground to this one here. So in order to do the connection, you can also make it a bit more arranged manner. So in order to do that one, I'll be clicking on this ground and I'll click here once again, and you can make a turn from there. So you can see it has already made a turn, and click here once more to make a turn, and if I click here, it'll be connected to the negative terminal. Now if you do not want it to be like this, if you want it to be a straight one, you can always click here and make it straight like that. Alright, so the other one that we have designed was 13 to be connected to the positive terminal. So this is the positive terminal which is already connected to this line here. So to that one, I'll be connecting with this one here. Let us go this side, and you can connect here. So we have two terminals, that is negative and positive, all these are connected to this Arduino. So for ground purpose, we usually make this color as black color. So let's click there and you can go to the top portion here. Here's the color selector. Let us make it a black color, and this one is also connected to the negative or to the ground, so let us also make it a black color. So that is how we can do a connection by making use of the connector or the wires in Arduino. So in order to do any connection, all you have to do is click on any one of the pin here. If you click on this pin and move your mouse. Connector will follow the mouse pointer, and then you can click on any of the other pins which you want to connect. So let's say I want to connect it with this one. So again, click the mouse now. That means it is all, these two pins are now connected. In the next video, we'll be checking along with the coding also how we can do the coding for this Arduino board in order to do something about the LED.